Hey everybody, it's Carrie the Paper Monkey. How are y'all doing? I am doing really good. I think, for the most part, I'm finished with my Dolly journal, and I really am so pleasantly surprised at how it came out. If you didn't know, recently we did a live craft and chat hosted by Angela the Traveling Crafter. Angela was there, Carol at A Crinkled Path, Sandy Wilhelmina, and Hazel Anaka from Hazel Anaka Designs. We were all there in honor of Carol at A Crinkled Path's retirement and birthday. So Angela, in advance of the craft and chat, sent each one of us a box from the Dolly line. I got the brownies. Others got the cake mix and so on and so forth. Anyway, I said, well, I didn't quite know what to do, but I just followed kind of like the color scheme and the butterfly motif that Dolly is so famous for, because she's always got a butterfly in her logo and her signature. So let's get right into this and let's look and see what I did. Again, I'm following this color scheme. I did 3 signatures. This material, this fabric actually came in a Happy Mail recently from Sierra. And this lace here is a Dollar Tree lace. And this I got recently, these flowers. This is a lace, but it is a flower, low profile flowers. That came from Hobby Lobby. And then this gingham came from BB Craft, some things that I got from BB Craft. Now you'll see I embellished this pretty heavily, I think, but I used some of my junk journal jewelry. Yeah, how about that? Junk journal jewelry and a rickrack. You'll see a lot of rickrack in this one. Loved it, loved it. These little butterfly die cuts came from the Dollar Tree, believe it or not, over a year ago. When I first started junk journaling, I picked that die cut up. I wish they'd bring them back, but I haven't seen them. This is another junk journal jewelry, but this is a little more simple, just a little butterfly charm. These came out of a sticker pack from the Dollar Tree. Yeah. This envelope came from Karla Frizzell, sent me that in a Happy Mail. You'll see these stickers throughout. This is all the same sticker pack from Dollar Tree. This is from a book. I've shown it in a haul, and I've shown it a couple of times. It's one of my favorite books. It's a swatch book, and it shows all kind of different fabric swatches, but it's in book format. I love this book. This is just a notepad paper from the Dollar Tree, and I just stamped it. Little belly band. And here's some rickrack. Here's the tag that I made for Tag Your Turn. That is Kathy at Graceco Paper Studio was my tag buddy on that one. Some children's, some children's illustration here. More rickrack. Just did some embellishment. This is actually Here We Go Again. This is the song lyrics from Dolly's Here We Go Again. Yeah, I just printed that on some resume paper, I think, is what I did. Let me zoom y'all in a little bit more. Let's see. Some more rickrack. This is the lyrics to 9 to 5. This is a Dollar Tree die cut. Dollar Tree die cut. And then an index card. Playful index card. This, again, is from that fabric swatch book that I mentioned. I used a few of those. This is the Dollar Tree die cut. And this is a paper pad from, I think I got that one at Michael's a long time ago. Again, this is from that fabric swatch book. Just mirrored those tags. Got this in a haul recently. These are some Mary Engelbright envelopes. And so I just put a couple of more of those index cards in here. These stickers are, again, from the Dollar Tree. And just some lace trim from Hobby Lobby. color book page. I love to use color book pages. Y'all know this about me. If you've been around, you know I love the color book pages. This is the lyrics to 9 to 5 again. And some gingham ribbon from BB Craft. Here you go again. Here you come again. The lyrics. Rick-rack. I told y'all it's full of rick-rack. I didn't embellish this page because the illustration was really cute to me. And I just wanted to leave it plain. I did think about putting some fabric washi here, but I thought, you know what? No, I really loved it and I wanted it to stay like that. And I wanted to leave this as journaling space. This is a velvet type ribbon. I loved it. You'll see that in a few spaces too. These are some of my fabric clusters that I've been making, and I am thinking about selling them. You may see me come on one of my videos with a package. This is what I was thinking about doing. Just to gauge interest, really. I'm thinking about during one of my videos, taking a pack, whether it's 5 or 6 of them, something matching, whether it's whimsical or something more neutral, and just saying, listen, I'm going to sell these for X amount of dollars and the shipping will be this. If anybody's interested, email me at this email address. You know, I don't know. I'm just trying to gauge the interest, because I did a poll already on what style people like the most. And really the whimsical and the neutral. Whimsical won out, but they were very close. So gives me an idea. This is fabric washi. Again, this is a paper pack from the Dollar Tree that I just stamped. And I just love the visual in that. That's from it's not an Ideals, but it's like an Ideals magazine. And again, more fabric washi. This pocket came from that fabric swatch book. Hobby Lobby scrapbook paper. These, believe it or not, let me pull these out so you can see. Isn't this pretty? That is a stationery pack that I picked up at a garage sale in northern Louisiana where my daughter lives. Loved it. And then I left this open at the top. I didn't want to close it up in case you wanted to slide this way or this way. And then these came in Happy Mail. Isn't that adorable? I love those little cards. This is a Michaels paper pack. This is a Hobby Lobby paper pack. Here's some more junk journal jewelry. I'm going kind of fast. Sorry, guys. Junk journal jewelry. And then this, I made this little booklet. So this is that die cut from the Dollar Tree last year. Watch. I just took some stickers and embellished the little book. I made a little tuck spot with a guest check. And then just took some of this scrapbook paper that was left over, trying to use it up. And made a little notebook. I need to mass make some more. You know what I'm saying? Like, I need to take my scraps and sit here and do that. I really do. Yeah. Fabric washi. This ledger paper came from the Dollar Tree. Now, let me just tell you, if you didn't see that haul, it is very thin. So I took and I glued 2 pages together just to give it a little more depth is not the right word, but you know what I'm talking about. Just a little more structure to it, I guess. Fabric washi. I need to sit down and make some more fabric washi. Maybe I'll do that on camera. Just some embellishments. Loved this page. Love, 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 love. Yeah. Did that. Yeah. Hobby Lobby. This is a Dollar Tree sticker. Love this. I love this right here. This is so pretty to me. And then the center. Left plenty of writing room. If you haven't noticed, I'll show you the I put some little beads and buttons at the end of the signature ties, signature tie-ins. Yeah. Little corner tuck with those. Using that scrapbook paper. Oh, look. So this is some vellum that I recently found at the Dollar Tree. Now, I have not found it since, I'll tell you that. I think I'm going to put the little envelope like that. Here's another fabric cluster. Another one. I wish I would have bought more of these. Yeah. I only bought one. Can you believe that? I should have bought 2 or 3 of those. And then this is a Dollar Tree die cut. I love them. I love them. I did the books because of Dolly Parton's Imagination Library. Is that what it is? You know where she sends out all the free books to kids 5 and under? I love that she does that. I really do. So that is the first... No, that's the second signature. Sorry, I didn't tell you when the first signature ended. So that's the second signature. We're going into the third signature now. Here's another washi, fabric washi. I left this open. I probably should have put a fabric flip on it. That would have been cute, huh? Maybe I'll go back and do that. I might. Another fabric cluster. Another cluster. And here's some more of that velvet. I love that stuff. Sheet music. Color page. Rick Rack. This is the lyrics to Jolene. This is the lyrics to Hard Candy Christmas. And I'm just going to tell you, it is not Christmas until I hear Hard Candy Christmas and Christmas in Dixie. Those 2 songs are the kickoff for my Christmas. Did this as a Dollar Tree notepad and just a little stamp. And then I just took the whole, not the whole, but a lot of that same sticker pack from the Dollar Tree. And I just embellished this, because I just love this page. I thought it, just love the way that looks. And this, I didn't want to cover any of this up. It's Hard Candy Christmas again. And that's Jolene again. A little pocket, little fabric cluster. Little fabric cluster. I wish I had more of this material. I think that was all that I had. Yeah. Oops, a little glue. Color book page, and the other side of that music sheet. Brick rack. Some more fabric washi. And then this, I just took 2 fabric clusters and I just backed them so they kind of look like a tab. They're not, but just made them to look like a tab. Oh, and look what I did. I forgot about this. Shoot, guys, I do need to make another pocket. I just took some clear cellophane, just glued it in there. Yeah, I forgot about that. Shoot. Okay. I'll have to do a tag, and this got a little glue on it. Some butterfly embellishments. I think these are too wide, if I remember. Yeah, those are too wide. I need a smaller for that. And then this. Yeah. And that's it. But came out just as cute as it can be, I think. I think it's precious. I'm going to hold on to this for a long time. I had a lot of fun. I had a lot of fun making this. I really did. And I thank Angela for inviting me back to do the live craft and chat. And I wish Carol all the very best. Please go like and subscribe to her channel. And Hazel Anaka too. And Sandy Wilhelmina. I'm going to link all of these channels along with the live craft and chat. If you guys didn't get to see it, I think you'll enjoy it. We had a good time. We really did. But I think I'm going to leave it there today, guys. And remember what I always say. I hope that whatever it is you get to do today or in the next few days, that it is at least as much fun as I had sharing this flip through with you guys. Thanks, and we'll chat soon. Bye.